Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, we're getting to that time of year when all the party foods start appearing in the shops, aren't we? So I've got 3 new products here from Iceland. And these were £2.50 each, or 3 for £5, as you can see on the pack. And I've got onion Bhaji bombs, sesame chicken toasts, not prawn toasts, and mini crispy hoisin duck pancakes. Right, you can do all these in the oven or the air fryer. I'm going to do them in the air fryer. They all cook at different times, so I've got to work that out, but I'm sure I can handle that. I don't know though, one of them will probably end up burnt. Right, so what we got in this one, onion Bhaji bombs, 300 gram pack, 12 approximately, onion Bhaji bombs filled with mango chutney, sliced onion and spices with mango chutney filling. And these are 49% onion and 20% mango chutney, suitable for vegetarians. 10 minutes in the air fryer. We won't have a look at them this time. I'll just cook them up, shall we, and then we'll try them. Right, sesame chicken toasts. Crispy fried bread topped with chopped seasoned chicken breast with vegetables and sesame seeds. This is only a 150 gram pack, so half the size of that onion Bhaji one. And these are 20% chicken breast and other things. Contains 10 servings, and there's 10 in there. Okay. We meant to serve one of them up to, you have a load of people round and say, right, you've got one each, you put one of them on a plate. Okay. Does this say it contains 12 servings? Yeah, it does. Okay. And this one, I bet, says contains 8 servings. Yes, it does. Right, mini crispy hoisin duck pancakes. Chopped duck with Chinese-style sauce and vegetables wrapped in phyllo pastry and a breadcrumb coating. 200 gram pack. And these have got 17% duck, 10% hoisin sauce, and other bits and pieces. Including your usual Chinese sort of spices, aniseed, star anise, cinnamon, clove, oyster mushrooms. Okay. And they take 8 minutes. So 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. Right. Wish me luck. I'm going in. Okay, there we go. Cooked exactly as per instructions. Cut a couple of them in half to check they're cooked through, and they're fine. And there's an interesting mix of smells here. Right. Let's try a sesame chicken toast first, shall we? I mean, that is one serving. Just sort of white mush inside. Definitely got a chicken taste with vegetables. Okay, I didn't actually look at the instructions, did I? To see the ingredients, to see what the vegetables are. Onion, cabbage, spring onion. Yeah. They don't look great, but they taste pretty good. The main taste, yeah, the overriding taste is the sesame seeds. And then you get the chicken and the onion sort of equally. But, yeah. That's a good one. As I said, doesn't look great, but tastes pretty good. Okay, crispy hoisin duck pancakes. Guess I better cleanse the old palate, hadn't I? Oh, that's got a much stronger taste. And where are we? Yeah. Oh, that hoisin sauce, definitely. If anything, they probably could have done with a minute less in the air fryer. A bit too crispy on the edges. But again, a pretty nice taste. Can you taste the duck though? A little bit. Yeah, it's just a little crispy pancake, you know, like your traditional crispy pancakes, like the older Findus ones in years gone by. Then Iceland brought out their own range, didn't they? It's one of them, smaller, basically just filled with hoisin sauce. That's what it seems like. Stronger taste than the chicken toast, but I don't like it as much. Okay. I like trying all these little bits and pieces. Onion Bhaji bombs. They're very good. Oh yes. Now I reckon they could have done with a minute or two more in the air fryer, just to crisp up the outside a little bit more. They're warm enough, they're cooked through, but yeah. It's an onion bhaji. It's got mango chutney in it. There's not much else I can say. But it's really tasty. There's a little bit of chili heat there, hardly any at all. But yeah, they'd be great with a curry. They really would go great. You know, instead of having separate onion bhajis and a bit of mango chutney, just have some of these. I'm enjoying that a lot. I only did 2 of each of these things. I wish I'd done a few more of a couple of them. You can guess which couple, can't you? Right, so, new, that's the right way up, isn't it? Yeah, new Iceland party food. 3 for £5. The Hoisin duck pancakes are the worst one out of the three. They're just a crispy pancake filled with hoisin sauce, and you wouldn't know there was any duck in there. You really wouldn't. The chicken toasts are very good. They don't look great inside, it's just white mush, but they taste really nice. And then the onion Bhaji bombs, again, they taste really good. It's what you'd expect. It's an onion Bhaji, it's got mango chutney in it. So what's the best one? Well, I mean, that's the worst one, so we'll chuck that one away. But what's the best one out of the onion Bhaji bombs and the sesame chicken toasts? I'd put them equal. They're very different. Different to each other and different to anything I've had before. But, yeah, equally as interesting and as good. Okay, I can see these crispy pancakes sitting in my freezer for a very long time, whereas the others won't. You know, especially those chicken toasts, I could just bung the rest of them in. You know, they only take, what were they, 6 minutes. Stick them in the air fryer just to eat while I'm watching telly, you know, with a few drinks. That'd be a great snack. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that one. There's loads more party food on the way. I've got my eye on some of it already. You will be seeing more. I'm not sure when or what it will be, but yeah, you will be seeing more over the coming weeks. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.